Welcome back to Forgecraft Inventor. Today, we're going to tackle another creative project, a bicycle powered by a handsaw. Get the base and power supply. This is our donor bicycle. And here's the core of the project, a powerful, disassembled two-stroke chainsaw engine. The first task is to remove the guide bar and chain from the saw. We'll just keep the original motor block and centrifugal clutch. Making the engine mount, this step requires precision. To ensure concentricity and structural integrity, I use thick square steel tubing to cut, bend, and weld a sturdy three-point mount. This mount will be welded securely to the seat tube and top tube of the frame. This helps to distribute the force and withstand the operating torque during use. Once the mount is secured with MIG welding, we test mount the engine. The engine clearance and angle must be optimized for the next step, the transmission. Step 3. Setting up the drivetrain. This is the big challenge. We are fitting a small reduction gearbox to the existing chainsaw clutch shaft. From this reduction gearbox we will run a separate drive chain, leading to a larger sprocket mounted on the rear wheel, parallel to the bike's original sprocket. To ensure the chain stays tight and doesn't slip when shaking, an adjustable chain tensioner is required. This helps keep the chain pitch consistent. Step 4. Complete the control mechanism. We need to integrate two main components: the throttle cable and the ignition cutoff switch. The throttle cable is neatly routed and securely fixed to the specially designed throttle grip on the handlebar. Ensure smooth throttle movement and instant engine response. The ignition cutoff switch is located in the most accessible position. Step 5. Test and start. It's time to fill with the standard fuel-oil mixture for a 2-stroke engine. Final check of all welds, bolts, and especially the tension of the drive chain. Test run, pull the starter cord. The engine is running. As I increase the throttle, the centrifugal clutch engages smoothly, transfers power, and the bike starts rolling. Impressive speed, and the calculated gear ratios seem to be accurate. A mechanical project done perfectly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Forgecraft Inventor channel for more custom builds and challenges to come. See you next time.